YouTube channel. In this video we shall look at all the ways of how to play Roblox on your Chromebook and also how to download it. So step number one, we shall look at the web browser method. So these methods will play and download Roblox without using Google Play Store. As it's illustrated over here in the step-by-step guide over here, you can go ahead and log on to robloxcorporation.com. Okay, that is step number one. Visit www.robloxgigi.com. All right, so after doing that, guys, we'll go ahead to step number two. So step number two, guys, make sure that you download a VPN. So for this case, I recommend you to download the Proton VPN as it's illustrated. Why? Because Roblox is restricted in some countries, so you need to download the VPN to change your location and the IP address as illustrated. So go ahead and download Go ahead and download the Proton VPN as you can see. Now, after there, just go ahead and then install the Roblox from the settings. Go ahead and return to the Roblox application and then you start playing it instantly. So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet.